Alright guys, DZ back again with another quick unboxing video. I am not going to do a flight test on this one because I have already flown before and it's down in the lower videos. If you guys want to go check it out, it says finally got some airtime. That is the X4 Air Pro, which was this one here that I've already opened and flown. This is a brand new one here that I'm going to unbox for you guys. Been in the hospital, you know, so everything's been a little loopy here and there, but I'm getting, you know, punching out as many of these videos as I can for you guys when I can. Weather's bad outside, so I'll go ahead and knock this one out. Alright, this one has quite a few options on it. I'm really not down with the Wi-Fi, you know, running it off of Wi-Fi. This version, all of the 501 versions can, and the 502s, almost all of them can connect to the standard controller and run them off of it. You get much more range, but you do lose the Wi-Fi app, you lose the waypoints, you get automatic return to home, and of course you have GPS, but you lose the waypoints, the live stream, and the map app whenever you hook it up to the regular controller. But I mean, it's so easy to pair it with that and then pair it back with your phone, and you can run your waypoints to live stream, you know, straight from the phone. If you wanted to do it that way, you just don't get the distance and the range. The range and the quality of flight you do when you hook it up to the regular controller, like I have over there. Anyway, let's go ahead and get to this unboxing, and I'll throw a little quick review in on the end. Alrighty, first thing we got here, got a box of props, fully sealed. Have not opened it, but anyway, comes with 8 props, 2 full sets. Here in this box. Now this is something that I noticed that didn't come on my last one. They didn't have these little rings on there like that on my last one. That's kind of strange. Anyway, here's the little the Wi-Fi booster that hooks onto your phone, which is really kind of cool. I'll pull it out over here. I don't want to open that one yet. I'll pull it out of this one because I've already opened this box and I've already used it. But I will pull it out of here and show you guys. Now this is the Wi-Fi booster that hooks to your phone. Stretches open here, and it is rechargeable. It does not take batteries. You have your charging spot there, then your power there. You hook your phone to it, connect to this through your phone app, and that's that. It comes with the manual in there. If you can see it, a little bitty tiny manual comes with it. There's really not a lot of instruction to it. But let's get this set over here. Then it comes with your charger, which is the standard 501 charger for the 2700 milliamp batteries that come with the 500 series drones. And you have the drone. There is no difference between this drone and that drone sitting right over there. These are both the same drone, just different color. The main difference is this one has a built-in Wi-Fi module, plus it has the 5.8 gigahertz FPV module, and it has a 2.4 gigahertz control module built into this one as well. It shares the same exact board with the 501S. So with that being said, you can hook this up to the mod tool and take off the height restriction, which I have already done on this one. You can do all the same mods to this as you can the 501S. I mean, it's basically the exact same drone, except for it comes with the Wi-Fi built in, which is kind of cool. You know, the waypoints is kind of cool. That feature's pretty cool. You know, the streaming is pretty cool. There's some pluses about the Wi-Fi part, but you just don't get the range. That's what I don't like about it. But when it comes to reviewing this drone, I will give this drone 4 stars. I think that Hubsan should have sent a controller with it as well. I believe that having the capabilities of Wi-Fi and the controller in the same drone, for the price that they sell this one for, they sell this one for more than the 501S is going for. But all in all, this is a great drone. There was a really good deal on them last month, and I scored quite a few of them. Sent some off to a couple of people, some of my patrons. But like I said, it's a great drone. If you feel like if you have a 501S and you would like to get another drone, I would suggest you get this one. If you're going to get another Hubsan, I'd get this one because you can share your controller. Not only does it work with the standard controller, it also works with the Pro controller, the advanced version. I mean, it's all in all, this is a great drone, and you'll have a lot of fun with the Wi-Fi and being able to connect it to your controller. Anyway, you guys, thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys. I don't know how many times I can tell you guys how much I care about all of y'all, because you guys, you'll back me up. Love you guys. Don't forget, if you're a first-time viewer, like and subscribe. Or even if, I know there's 1,000 of you guys that haven't even subscribed to my channel that watch my videos all the time, hit that subscribe button. It ain't gonna hurt nobody. It ain't gonna cost you nothing. Hit the bell, that way you get notified every time I put up a new video. I mean, I care so much about you guys. Come check out my Facebook page. It's called New Drone Owners United States Global. Greatest page on Facebook, I can promise you that. Anybody wants to step up and say something about the group down below, go for it. I've got a deals page. It's called DZ's Drone Reviews and Deals. It's on Facebook. I throw out sales every day. I've found some of the most amazing deals that you can find on the web that nobody else had ever seen. Every day I find great, great, great stuff. And if I don't find something, my members will find it and they'll put it on there. Come hang out with us. We're all really, really cool. Love you guys. Peace out. Have a great evening.